Hey everyone, I'm Maral, and I'm super excited to share this video with you from the Yashil Art Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple English letter into a cute little character. I've always believed that anything, even just a line or a simple shape, can spark a cool idea. Here, for example, I started with the letter B, but with a little creativity, I realized I could give it a chin, add a nose, design some hair, and even turn it into a fun character with its own personality. Giving personality is actually the most important part. A simple curve can become an eye, a small bend can make a smile, or a tilted line can show anger, shyness, or mischief. Hair, eyebrow shapes, face structure, even the tilt of the head, all of these help turn a simple shape into a real character. I usually start my sketches with a fine liner because it makes the details clearer and helps define the main form. Then, for the final step, I switch to colored pencils. Here's a quick tip about colored pencils. Treat them like a regular drawing pencil. Start light, build up layers gradually, let the texture of the paper show, and don't press hard all at once. I usually use 2 to 4 complementary colors to give the character some depth. For shadows, cool colors like soft blues or purples work best. For highlights, use warm colors like pale yellows, oranges, or soft pinks. This combo makes your character look lively and super appealing. And guess what? This is just the first video in the series. In the next videos, we'll turn every English letter into a different character, one by one. Each letter can have its own story, personality, and mood. If you want me to continue, don't forget to like and comment. All right, let's see how our B turned out today.